Hi there, this is Deanna Cohen, and you have either met me through this video system before, and I am the co-founder with Melinda Knight of the Women Inventors Network. And we have some really exciting news to be sharing. We've been selected to be one of the sponsors of the Inventors Corner at the Housewares Show here in Chicago, March 15th through the 18th, 2014. And we are asking you, the expert in the industry, the person that wants to connect to the inventor community, to be a part of our program here in Chicago through our inventor community. And what that means to you, it can mean many different things, but there are three great options to sponsor the Women Inventors Network and our connection to the largest show on earth, the Housewares Show. The best parts of us being selected as a sponsor of the Housewares Show is exposure, exposure, exposure. And that gives you, our sponsor, a great opportunity to not only network with the inventors in the Inventors Pavilion, but also through our vast outreach through our social media program. And that's what it's all about, because we know how important our inventor community is to you. And through our new program, our virtual network, which again, all the information will be coming to you in the next month or so, you will see the value even more about how we work here at the Women Inventors Network. And we are thrilled and honored for you to consider being one of our great sponsors. So thank you in advance. Please take a look at the information below and don't miss this great opportunity.